Before you buy a boat, everyone tells you to focus on the gear, electronics, the solar, the rigging, and the engines. Here's the unpopular truth about all that. None of that matters if you don't trust yourself when things go wrong. And most people buy the boat before they build that trust and that confidence within themselves. I'm doing it backwards. I'll explain why in a minute. I'm not practicing these skills because I think I'll be perfect. I'm practicing them so I panic less, because sailing isn't about knowing everything. It's about staying useful when your plan stops working. Most beginners think the hardest part of sailing is learning new techniques, and some think it's the actual sailing part. It's not. The hardest part is staying calm while doing boring things under pressure. That's the first big hint about what the actual answer is. The first thing I'm practicing is slow boat control. Not speed, not power, slow. Docking in a current, backing when things don't line up. Stopping the boat exactly where I want, because panic loves tight spaces, and slow control is how you starve it of that control. When the wind pushes, the boat talks. You either listen calmly or you fight it and lose. The next thing is sail handling early, reefing sooner than I think I need to, changing sail plans before it feels urgent. Here's what nobody tells you. Most sail handling mistakes don't happen in storms. They happen when people delay 5 minutes too long. So I'm practicing acting early, even when it feels unnecessary, especially when it feels unnecessary. And if you're wondering when I have done this, I have taken a beginner sailing course and I have done all of this stuff, and trust me, it helped me a lot. Anyway, another big hint is anchoring. Not dropping the hook, setting it right, different bottoms, different depths, different conditions, because a bad anchor set doesn't scare you immediately. It waits until night. It waits until you go to bed and the wind starts to pick up and the current really starts to pull in. That's when bad things happen. Anchoring is confidence you borrow from your past decisions. I want that confidence to be earned. I'm also practicing systems failure, turning things off on purpose, sailing without electronics, navigating without GPS. Not because I hate technology or I'm anti-technology, because resilience is invisible until it breaks. When screens go dark, the ocean doesn't care, and I don't want that moment to be my first lesson. Here's where it gets interesting. I'm not chasing advanced skills. I'm chasing repeatability, doing simple things the same way every time. Because trust me, when conditions get loud, muscle memory whispers. So when you do things over and over again, it will help. This is where people get it wrong though. They think experience comes from miles. It doesn't. It comes from attention and repeatability, repetition. 10 deliberate docks teach more than 1,000 casual ones. So why practice all this before buying a boat? Because boats amplify habits. Good ones get stronger. Bad ones get expensive. I don't want my boat teaching me lessons at full volume. Here's the real answer. The most important sailing skill isn't trimming sails or reading weather. It's knowing how you respond when something feels off or something goes wrong, because that is what will matter. If you're planning to buy a boat, start here. Practice where mistakes are small and consequences are minimal, where help is nearby and where lessons are cheap. Your future offshore self will thank you. If this helped you, hit like down below and subscribe if you want honest sailing prep without the fantasy filler. If this helped you, hit like and hit subscribe down below, because I'm going to get out in the water and I have a bunch of videos on my channel helping other beginners get on the water. That's all I have for you guys today. I'm going to leave you with one piece of advice. Confidence isn't something you buy, you build it. That's all I have for you guys today. Peace.